Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make the curry chicken dumpling, which is another dumplings very popular in my restaurant. And I adopted the original recipe from Cantonese style dim sum restaurants in Hong Kong. Usually it's made with puff pastry, but I decided to use just dumpling wrappers to make it simple to serve in the restaurant. For this recipe, I will need 1 pound coarsely ground chicken breast or chicken thigh. I will marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons vodka, vermouth or gin, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 egg white lightly beaten, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then I add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Also, we will need 8 ounces of butter mushrooms, 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and 3 tablespoons Korean hot pepper powder. I would marinate the chicken first. I would mix the egg white and soy sauce into the ground chicken. Then I add the vodka, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and finally, when it's all mixed out, I add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mix very well until it's totally blind. I will cover the chicken into the refrigerator until ready to cook. I will cut the onion and the mushrooms. Then I will use the food processor finely chop both the onions, then the mushrooms. I saute the onion in the medium pot with 2 tablespoons oil over medium heat. And I will add the mushrooms and saute it until they both are soft. Then I will add the curry, cumin, hot pepper powder, and salt. Cook a couple minutes. Everything is totally blended. I would move the onion and mushroom mixture into a plate and let it cool down. Then I will take the chicken out from the refrigerator and mix the cold onion mixture into the chicken stuffing until the stuffing is totally mixed well and ready to go. This is very simple folding technique. So you just place 1 teaspoon of stuffing in the wrapper and seal with water around the edges, then fold it into a half moon shape and pinch it completely until the edge is very tight together. You would make about 50-60 dumplings. And to cook the dumpling like you do others, first you put 2 tablespoons of oil in the medium pot. Then you place the dumpling into the pot without turning on the heat. And you make sure all the dumpling was covered with oil. Then you turn on the heat to medium. Then you pour 1/4 cup of the water over the dumpling and then cover tight and cook about 3 minutes. Then you flip the dumpling and cook the other side for another 3-4 minutes until they are finished. So the dumpling both sides is going to be crispy and light brown. You can serve this dumpling with soy sauce with fresh chopped jalapeno pepper, or you can serve with sriracha sauce. And this dumpling is slightly spicy. I hope you enjoyed this meal. You can always find the full recipe in the description below. Happy and healthy cooking. See you next time.